Before we continue, it's important to clarify something. There are two very different topics that are often confused. On one hand, we have strategic decision making with AI, and on the other hand, we have AI strategy. And these are not the same thing at all. AI strategy is about questions like how do we implement AI in the organization? Which technologies do we choose? How do we structure data, teams, systems? So this is primarily a technological and an organizational challenge. It's typically handled by IT leaders, data teams, and technical executives. This course is not about AI strategy. This course is about something much more fundamental. It is about how you think when making strategic decisions in a world where AI exists. Because even if you never built an AI system, AI still changes your environment. It changes the speed of innovation, it changes the level of competition, it changes the amount of available information and the nature of uncertainty. So decision thinking with AI is about how do I make better strategic decisions in a world where AI is part of the equation now. Of course, there is a connection because deciding on your AI strategy is a strategic decision as well, and thus will benefit from this framework. But the focus here is entirely different. AI strategy is about what you build. This course is about how you think. And in practice, that difference is very critical. Many organizations invest in AI, but continue to make decisions in the old-fashioned way. That's where the real gap is. And this course is designed to close that gap.